OnePlus Nord 2T 5G India launch has been tested by the Chinese smartphone maker. Separately, Amazon has created a dedicated web page to suggest online availability of the OnePlus phone. OnePlus Nord 2T 5G, the phone comes with a 90Hz refresh rate 6.43-inch touchscreen display offering a resolution of 1080 into 2400 pixel. The display sports Gorilla Glass 5 for protection. OnePlus Nord 2T 5G comes with 12 GB of RAM. The OnePlus Nord 2T 5G runs Android 12 and is powered by a 4500 mAh non-removable battery. The OnePlus Nord 2T 5G support super fast charging. As far as the cameras are concerned, the OnePlus Nord 2T 5G on the rear packs a triple camera setup featuring a 50 megapixel primary camera, an 8 megapixel wide angle camera and a 2 megapixel camera. It has a single front camera setup for selfies featuring a 32 megapixel sensor. The OnePlus Nord 2T 5G runs Oxygen OS 12.1, is based on Android 12 and packs 256 GB of inbuilt storage.